Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to look back at Pygame, and we need to add some boundaries to our little green sprite. So alright, let's just look and see where we left off. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We add one video upon another. So right now we have our little explosions, but I almost started to add some more functionality, and then I noticed that when I was dodging these, we did not handle this boundary at the bottom. So we need to go ahead and do that before we add our collision. So, alright, let's just go ahead and do that. So it's going to live here in our update, and we need to pay attention to how the boundary is. So we need to, so our edges are between 0 and 600, and our sprite is 50. So alright, left side will be 0, so if self rect x is greater than, I think is it 5 that we put that edge on? Let's come down here. We may have to tweak this a little bit. And then of course, if self rect x is greater than, is less than, because it's going to be on the high side. So we need 600 minus 50, and then another 5 for our boundary. So let's see how we did. Can't remember if it's 5 or 10 for our edge border. Alright, so here we go. Let's get this so we can see. And we go boom, boom. There's our edge. We need to dodge our blocks, even though nothing will happen. And there we go. So it is that simple of logic, because we know where our edge is, we know how thick our sprite is, and we know our boundary. So there we go, guys. Okay, so we're getting closer and closer and closer, and we are about to add our sprite collide group, and we're going to go from there. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.